Hello and welcome to another exciting video. Now that we have seen how to connect Next.js with FaunaDB using the Apollo client, it's time now to work on the front end. The first thing that we'll be doing is creating a navigation bar. Now that navigation bar is supposed to appear on all the pages that we'll create down the line. So it has to be placed at such a place where you just put it once and it could be utilized on all the new pages that we create. And to do that, the first thing is over here we need to create a component. Now to do that, I'll be selecting any root file, and here I'll be creating a folder. Let's call it as components, and inside that we'll create a file, and I'll be naming this file as nav.tsx. Within this file I'll put this navigation bar. So here we have home, and here we have the cart. By default I'm just putting some random number over here, like 3 or 4 cart items, and save this. Now we need to ensure that this navigation bar appears in our application, and to do that we'll be going back to our underscore app.tsx file, and here we'll be including the nav component. So we'll be doing this over here, and we'll also be importing it. So we'll be writing import nav from components nav. Save this file now. And the other thing that we need to do is create a cart.tsx file, and that will be doing inside our pages directory. So here I'll say cart.tsx, and we'll be just putting a default text over here saying cart page, something of the sort. And now let's go ahead, run the application in terminal. Click on this localhost link that is generated. So here you can see this an error coming up which says that either we remove the anchor tag or we have this value or attribute provided along with the link tag. So let's go ahead and do that in the nav bar. So here we are making use of the link, and we'll have the legacy behavior provided. Let's save this. So here we are just getting the home link, and the cart icon is coming up, and down below we have our shop data coming, and we'll be making this a bit more user friendly in the upcoming lectures.